Hello friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about how to debug script. So what is the purpose of debugging? So when a script does not work properly, we need to determine the location of the problem. That means the script consists of different instructions. When the script not working properly, you are going to identify the location of the problem. So for that we are going to debug the script. That means step-by-step analysis of program. The Unix shell provides debugging mode. So here these are the options. So set -x. So -x means print the statements after interpreting meta characters and variables. Set -v. So prints the statements before interpreting meta characters and variables. So set +x stops the printing of statement. Here, so -x means print the statements after interpreting. So after interpreting is nothing but, for example, echo hello friends. After interpreting, it going to print hello friends. So before interpreting, the statement is echo hello in double quotation hello friends only. Okay. So now we are going to see the example. Let us assume this is the program. So echo hello friends. So for example, so this is the sample.sh. Sample.sh. So now I execute this program like this. sh sample.sh. So normally we execute like this. So when you are going to debug, you can execute like this. sh space -x and sample.sh. So -x means prints the statement after interpreting meta characters or variables. So after interpretation of this, we get echo hello friends. Echo hello friends. And the output is hello friends. It displays these two lines. If you are using x, in the place of x, if you are using v, then it displays print the statements before interpreting meta characters. Before interpreting meta characters, it seems like this. Okay, if you are using both x, v, then it displays both echo hello world, hello friends. So after before interpreting in double quotation, so after interpreting hello friends. Okay, so now we are going to see one small script. So this is the echo enter a number. So read n. For I in sequence 1 to n, you are going to print the I value. So for example, I enter I n equals to 5. It displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the output. Now we are going to run this in debugging mode. How? So normally how we can run this? sh. For example, the program name is debug1.sh. Now it displays enter a number. After that I enter 5. Now it displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an output. Okay. So now the same script we can run in debug mode. How? sh space -xv and the script name debug1.sh. Now what it displays? It displays both before and after interpreting the meta characters and variable. The first instruction is echo enter a number. So this is after interpretation, this is before interpretation. So read n. So before, after. Then I enter the number 5 here. So before interpretation, for I in sequence 1 to n, do echo $i done. So this is before interpretation. And plus sequence of 1, 5. After interpretation, this instruction is changed as 1, 5. And echo 1. And it prints 1. This is the actual output. 1 is the actual output. So these messages we get because of debugging. Similarly, echo 2, the output is 2. Echo 3, the output is 3. Echo 4, the output is 4. Echo 5, the output is 5. So this is the one way you are going to debug your script. So there is another way by using the set command. In our previous class also we discussed about the set command. When you are writing the script, the first line, if you write set -xv, then when you execute this program, this script, debug1.sh, then this script is executed in debug mode. Okay. Now we are going to see debugging script. So let us take this small example. So this is the script de.sh contain just hello friends. Now we can execute this. sh.de.sh, it prints hello friends as output. So now we can execute in debug mode sh-xv de.sh. So this is before interpreting. So this is after interpreting. So sh-x de.sh. Okay. So after interpreting we get only hello friends. sh-v de.sh. Now we get in double quotation, that means so before interpretation this is the instruction. Okay, we see another program. So this is the program to print the numbers 1 to specific number, that is n. First we execute sh debugging1.sh. So enter a number. If I enter 5, so this is the output. So now how we can execute in debug mode? sh, after that we specify -xv. So enter 5, so this is the output. Okay, another way is you are going to write this by using the set command, set -xv, and save. So now we are going to execute sh debug1.sh. So enter 5, we get the same output.